Hello Works community. In this video, we will explore some other augmented actions exclusive to the Works platform, starting with the Sous-Chef. In the right-hand menu to the left of suggestions, you will see this icon. By clicking it, you enter the environment where you can change the domain, formality, tone, and audience for all translations provided by artificial intelligence or context sensitive. So note, I already have the formality automatically set to neutral to formal, the tone as confident, innovative, persuasive, and professional. And I have the audience here as localization managers, translation agencies, and so on. Below, we also have the creativity level. Here, when generating insightful translations, the system will provide 3 alternative translations for that segment, according to the chosen tone and formality. Here, when choosing the best translation, just click on Apply to Current and Next, and the translation will be automatically applied. More importantly, you can change this formality. So I can go back to the Sous-Chef, change the tone to informal, to witty, and even change the audience to teenagers. In São Paulo, Brazil, I can also increase the creativity level and request new translations for that segment. Now we have 3 more alternatives, much more informal, to which I can apply the translation, and they will be automatically applied to the segment. Not only that, but when you confirm the segment and move on, the next translations provided by Context Sensitive will take this new tone formality into account. Furthermore, we also have this option right below the target segment, which when clicked, lets you check other options like alternative suggestion, very similar to Sous-Chef, but here we are not taking the translation memory and glossary into account, and you also have the reasoning behind that translation. We also have the proofread option, where I can, for example, make some mistakes with punctuation. By clicking this button, the AI will automatically correct those typos. And we also have the fixed tags option, where in cases with many tags in both the source and target, you can use AI to fill in the tags in the correct places in the target for you, thus greatly reducing your time spent changing or moving tags during your translation. With that, we conclude this video. See you next time.